It's not the ice cream scoop. It's mostly invisible bugs and immune tricks. Here's the real story. Quick truth. Eating cold ice cream doesn't magically create a virus. Most colds and coughs come from viruses. Think rhinoviruses, seasonal coronaviruses RSV that spread person to person. But cold treats can help in two ways. They can chill your throat and temporarily slow defenses, making you more susceptible. If the ice cream is contaminated, it can carry pathogens, norovirus, salmonella, listeria, and make you sick. So the scoop, the chill can help bugs win, but the bugs still have to be there. Wash hands, avoid shared utensils. If something smells off, don't eat it.